Hello everyone, welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 150, numéro 150. Today we are continuing our series on dictations. This practice series is specifically designed to boost your listening and your writing skills in French, which is perfect for beginners. Now today's dictation theme is colors. So let me give you a quick refresher on how it works. So for each dictation, you have two levels to choose from, level 1 and level 2. I will read the same text for both levels. Level 1 includes some gaps to fill in, which makes it a little bit easier than level 2, which is a traditional dictation with no gaps. So it's a little bit more challenging, but it is still at a beginner level. Now you will find the link to download your printable dictation workbook for this episode in the podcast notes on your podcast platform. Now this workbook not only includes the full transcript in French and the translation in English, but you'll also have space to write down your answers as you listen. So here's how it's going to work. I will read the dictation text 3 times. Please listen carefully the first time to understand the context. The second time, try to write down what you hear. And then I will read through the text a third time, very slowly, to help you check your work. All right, so are you ready? Grab your pen and let's get started. All right, so this is the first read. For now, just listen. Léa et son père vont au parc pour faire un pique-nique. Ils apportent une nappe rouge, des assiettes bleues et des verres verts. Léa porte un chapeau jaune, une robe grise et des sandales blanches. Son père porte un t-shirt orange et un sac à dos noir. Au parc, ils observent les fleurs roses, violettes et jaunes avant de sortir un jeu de cartes et de passer l'après-midi à jouer. All right, this is now the second read. Please write everything that you can. Léa et son père vont au parc pour faire un pique-nique. Ils apportent une nappe rouge, des assiettes bleues et des verres verts. Léa porte un chapeau jaune, une robe grise et des sandales blanches. Son père porte un t-shirt orange et un sac à dos noir. Au parc, ils observent les fleurs roses, violettes et jaunes avant de sortir un jeu de cartes et de passer l'après-midi à jouer. Okay, are you ready for the third reading? This is your chance to check everything that you've written and to fill in any gaps. C'est parti. Léa et son père vont au parc pour faire un pique-nique. Ils apportent une nappe rouge, des assiettes bleues et des verres verts. Léa porte un chapeau jaune, une robe grise et des sandales blanches. Son père porte un t-shirt orange et un sac à dos noir. Au parc, ils observent les fleurs roses, violettes et jaunes avant de sortir un jeu de cartes et de passer l'après-midi à jouer. And that is now the end of today's dictation. Now it is time to check your answers in a workbook. So make sure you download it if you haven't done so yet. The workbook includes the transcript of this dictation and the translation in English. I hope you enjoyed this dictation. I will chat with you next week. À la semaine prochaine. Bye.